If you want luxury, then come to Tameron Gulf Coast and look at this 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE SUV. The Range Rover Sport features all-around exterior LED lighting, emergency braking that is designed to help prevent foreseeable collisions, and a headlight cleaning system. Inside, we find leather seating for 5, sliding panoramic roof, and intelligent voice recognition are just a few of the features that you'll find. The 10.1-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Sport has less than 18,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.